Hi everyone. Today we'll see time scaling. Time scaling means we'll multiply or divide the independent variable t with some constant. Here the initial time signal is x of t. Now the time signal after scaling we can represent with x of at, where a is the scaling factor. If the scaling factor mod a greater than 1, then time axis will be compressed. If the scaling factor is in between 0 and 1, then time axis will be expanded. We'll see this with one example. See here. Now I want the signal x of 2t. The scaling factor is 2 here. That means the scaling factor is greater than 1. That means time axis will be compressed. The compression, how much compression will be takes place here. Initially the x of t is existing in between, the time axis is in between -2 and 2. Now x of 2t will be from -1 to 1. That means the compressed, the scaling factor is 2. So the compression also takes place in between -1 and 1. The amplitude remains same. The amplitude will remains same. Here, 1 minute. This is 3 only. But what about the time axis? It is compressed. It exists in between -1 and 1. This is time compression. Time compression. In the same signal, if I want x of t by 2, x of t by 2, the initial signal is existing between -2 and 2. Now the scaled signal, time scaled signal exists in between -4 and +4. Because the scaling factor is 1 by 2 here. That means it is in between 0 and 1. So the scale factor is 1 by 2 here. So the scaling takes place is 2 units expansion. In place of t by 2, if I have t by 3, then what will happen to the expansion? 3 units expansion. That means 3 into 2, I'll get a 6 here. Here also I'll get 6. -6 and 6. The expansion is 3 units. If I want to draw x of 3t, that means the compression is 3 units compression. What will happen to the signal? It will exist in between -2 by 3 to +2 by 3. But the magnitude is 3. Due to amplitude scaling, time won't be affected. Due to time scaling, amplitude won't be affected.